Not sure if you remember, but I filmed this site just a few days ago, and there was barely anything here. I guess the buildings were up, but they're almost finished. They're temporary buildings. I found out what this is. It's housing for the workers, and they're building towers. You see some other housing projects. They're building towers on the other side of this big mall. And so this is for workers. Usually they come from the south, from smaller towns, and they need housing because it's so expensive here in Shanghai. So when they're hired, they're also given temporary shelter, which is a pretty good gig, I think. So there you go. And as you can see, it's still under construction. And of course, the government owns everything. So when they build these projects, I guess the same thing happens in other places, but they also build sidewalks to just make it all brand spanking new. And there's the site where the towers will be built. I'm assuming in another couple days you'll see these massive towers already up and running. Maybe not. They're fast with hospitals, but maybe not with this. Cheerio.